What's the meaning of checking account? Checking account. Checking account.
Checking account. Checking account. A checking account is a bank account that a customer uses to deposit and withdraw funds on a regular basis. It typically provides quick and easy access to money through checks, debit cards, and online banking services. Checking accounts often do not pay interest, but they may include various fees, such as monthly maintenance or overdraft charges. With a checking account, customers can make payments, transfer money, and manage their finances conveniently and efficiently.